Hello everyone, welcome to Trade in the Zone. Now we are going to see in the training program what are the topics I'm going to cover, uh, what benefits you will get at an paid subscription. Those details we'll going to see now. So start from the basic. So basics about the market. So NSE and BSE, those companies under Nifty 50 and under BSE and Sensex details. And then we're going to see a participants, who are the participants, market participants, domestic, institutional, foreign institutional and domestic retail players and domestic asset management companies. And then type of traders, day traders, scalper, swing traders, and type of investors, who are those investors, growth investor and value investors, and common market terminology like what is bull market, what is bear market, and what is trend, what is upper circuit, lower circuit, low, long position and short, and OHLC and open, high, low, close, and volume, face value of the stock. These are the common terminology we use in market, share market. So those details, just a general update regarding those terminologies. And then market segments, equity market and future market, and commodity and currency, how equity works and future option works, and commodity and currency. Those details we are going to see it. And the corporate actions, like dividend, bonus, stock split, what is right issue, what is buyback, those detail we are going to see in depth in our technical analysis classes. So these are all the basics which everyone should know at least. This is a very basic. If you are in stock market, at least these details you should know. Next, we are going to see a fundamental analysis. In the fundamental, the main thing is MWPL, the market wide position limit. So from where we have to get the MWPL data, the link is given, and how to collect those data, that description I have given. Like you have to go to NSE and you have to take a market wide position limit and combine open interest, and we have to select the date, and again we have to download the file, and after downloading the file we have to make a separate sheet for MWPL. So option chain analysis is the most important thing while going for a index trade like Nifty and Bank Nifty, even for a stocks also. So to read the option chain, we need to know some details, the basic detail like open interest, what is the volume, and what is the IV, impulse volatility, and what are the changes it is happening in the option chain, how it will help to us in by trading in the live market. Those detail we are going to see in option chain analysis. And this is an open interest formula like bull market. What will be the bull market? There will be a terms like long build up and long unwinding, and in bear market short build up and short covering. These are all the important things while looking for option in F&O market, and even for the indexes also. So these are all open interest formulas. So this will help us to be in the right direction. So next, equity fundamental analysis, like while picking the equity stocks, what and all things we have to look for. So if you are selecting on company, then what things we have to look. So what does the company do? The company, what they manufacture, and what kind of material, and the clients and the competitors, and major shareholders of the company, and the new launch, any new launch they are doing it. And are they lining full capacity, or they are having a order book with a huge order book with them. So these are all the things will help us to select the stock for the long term investment. And then numbers evaluation. So anyway, if you are doing a fundamental also, you need some numbers like net profit growth, what is EPS should be, and debit value, what the debit they are, and inventory detail, and cash flow from operations, like what cash flow they have, and the return on equity, how much percentage they are. These are the things we have to analyze before pick the stock for our portfolio, the long time portfolio. So and future and option trading, like, so what future and option how it works, those things we'll discuss on the training classes. Next, the thing is the technical analysis. So technically, what chart type we have: bar chart, line chart, and Japanese candlestick method. So those, so how it works and how to analyze those charts, and then we are going to see candlestick patterns. So single candlestick like doji, pinning star, mapozu, and hanging man, shooting star, and multiple candlestick pattern, that is very much important while trading a in a future and option, even for the stocks also the candlesticks are very important. And so multiple candlestick pattern, so we are going to see one by one. uh, in that, first we are going to see engulfing pattern. So engulfing pattern, so bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing and dark cloud cover. So whatever the topic I'm covering it, it is only the important things, the major reversal patterns. So we don't want to see all the patterns to get, if we see the we will get a we will not get a clear idea and even we'll get confused. So I have picked some few powerful patterns. So for those only we are going to see. First we are going to see engulfing pattern, and then dark cloud cover, and then harami we are going to see bullish and bearish haramis, and morning star and evening star. These are the reversal patterns. So reversal patterns will help us to find the trend, either trend continuation or the trend reversals. Those things will help us to get some clear idea about the market trend. So these are all the patterns will give a clear idea about what is the next trend going to be. So and after that we are going to see a support and resistance. This is something very important in stock market. And then the resistance. So what support does and what resistance does. So how to find the support and resistance, how to draw the support and resistance, how to trade support and resistance, we are going to see in our technical analysis classes. And the volume, the next important thing is volume. So volume based we can identify some reversals also, and even we can safeguard ourselves by getting into the trap. So volume will always help us to find whether it is a perfect breakout or a fake breakout. Those things we can analyze from the volume also. There will be a volume formula that will be discussed in the technical classes. And some important patterns also we are going to see the trend lines. So trend line what does. So trend line in the sense, it is an uptrend, you will get a uptrend direction when the trend will be broken and where we have to get enter. And while it is traveling on the trend line, what should the trader want to do. Those things we will discuss. And channel, the important thing is channel. So channel, it is formation of even in the bullish and even in the bearish also. So what kind of channel for patterns we'll get it. So how to trade in this channel, so how to get enter and how to get exit in the channel, those things will be discussed while going for a technical analysis section. So and then double bottom and double top, those are all the things we are going to discuss in our technical analysis part. And then head and shoulder pattern, it is a powerful reversal pattern. So how to find a reversal pattern of head and shoulder and how to trade in head and shoulder, those things will be discussed in the technical analysis classes. And then we are going to see a moving average. So how the moving average works and how to use the moving average for our trade. And indicators, so indicators, we are going to see some important indicators like we are going to see RSI and pivot standard points and CPR and NR7. And how to use trading view chart and tools will be uh, taught by myself while giving a session to our students. So these are all the topics I'm going to cover in technical analysis. And the moving average and indicator, those and all, we are not going to trade with those indicators and moving averages. But what trade we are taking, definitely we are taking a support from the moving average and indicators. So in order to make a good success ratio, we have to see all the things. So in the end of the training sessions, after 7 or 8 training sessions, I'll be compiling all the technicals with the perfect entry, how to take and how to use those moving average indicators to finalize the trade and get entry and exit. So those things will be explained to the students at the end of the complete technical analysis, not in the beginning itself. So these are all the some advanced type. So once you complete the course, then at the end of the moment you will get to know what is the moving average and indicators does for the trade. So these things will be discussed. Here we comes the advanced pattern, the Elliott wave pattern. Elliott wave, it is very useful for the trader who trading for a long term, and even for a short term trader also they can trade with Elliott waves. Elliott wave will give you the clear direction. The success ratio of Elliott wave, if you are combining with other parameters like moving average and even RSI, even channel, trend line, those things, definitely it will be helpful for your trade. And Elliott wave is the like wave, the market moves by waves. So for the waves, if you know the waves, then definitely you can be in the right direction and you can make some decent profit while trading with Elliott wave. I'm going to teach the basic of Elliott waves and how to use Elliott waves in the chart patterns, and how to find the exact entry and exact exit, where to exit. Those things will be discussed while teaching Elliott waves. This is something very advanced. I'm going to teach Elliott wave from the basic to till the end with all the patterns. Like there will be a motive wave and corrective wave, and even motive wave I'm going to explain, and even corrective wave also I'm going to explain you. So if you are comfortable with Elliott wave while doing analysis, then definitely your success ratio will increase like gradually from the what level right now you are. So if you know the Elliott wave, then definitely your success ratio will be higher. So even I do trade with maximum with Elliott waves. So in order to get success, we have to combine all the strategies. For the our strategies, we are going to use Elliott wave also. Elliott, it is something advanced, very advanced for us. So these things we'll discuss in the class, the Elliott wave class. And the next topic will be harmonic. So harmonic, it is something a reversal type of trade. So completely against a Elliott wave. So Elliott wave, it is completely a trend based trade, but harmonic, it is against a trend. So we are going to trade against a trend with a safer side. So there are some few patterns in the harmonics. So some bullish and bearish, and bullish reversals are like Gartley, bat, alternate bat, and shark, crab, cipher, butterfly. There are so many patterns. So we are going to pick some few patterns which is very helpful to us in order to save our losses. We are going to see very few patterns which is giving very less stop loss while taking entry. Those patterns we are going to see. And bearish also same. The reversal of bearish patterns will be like Godly bat and alternate bat, shark, alternate shark, deep crab, and crab, cipher, and shark, butterfly. Those are all the reversal patterns of bearish reversal. So here also we are going to see very few patterns which is give very less loss, stop loss to us. So we are not going to take a huge stop loss in harmonic, only a small stop loss we are ready to bear it. So we are going to take only those type of patterns. So how to trade in the patterns, that I'll teach you how to trade, how to take entry, where to take entry, those things I'll teach you. And these are some calculation to the students. So if they are not comfortable with drawing a pattern, if they enter the value, they'll get a pattern reversal points. So if they want to take a bad pattern, then they can go for a bad and Gartley and alternate where the price is exactly, they can take it. I'll teach you where to keep the stop loss and where to take a entry also. So in that, so entire thing will be covered under our technical courses. So on top of it, we are going to see our own strategies. These are all our own strategies. It is not with any other strategies combined. It is our own strategy. So here we are going to see a crude oil or GAN method, like how to use the GAN numbers and GAN angles, and how to take entry and exit, stop loss. Those things I'm going to discuss in the technical analysis itself. So this course covered these topics also, our own strategies. There are some few rules and regulations for taking a trade in GAN oil and crude oil. So this will be explained while giving a trading. So how to take entry, average, where to do targets and stop loss. How to get safe entry and exit in GAN method. That will be taught in the training. So GAN method video already available in YouTube. So you can watch that also. Even while giving a training to our students, paid students, I'll give you some hints regarding the GAN entries, how to take safe entries and how to avoid the losses and how to manage the losses. Thus, that also I'll teach with this method, and Nifty GAN method will be explained. So when to trade and how to trade, that also will be explained. Because if you take blindly, then there is a possibility of stop losses. So for that, I'll give you some hint to take a trade by using a GAN method. And breakout strategies will be combined with multi-time frame. So multi-time frame analysis, it is basic thing for us. So while giving a technical analysis, once the technical basic technical things explain, definitely I'll explain multi-time frame analysis with step by step. So once you've complete the multi-time frame analysis, then you are free to trade by yourself until you will be under my trade setup. So whatever the trade I'll give you, you can take the trade. And once you comfortable with this, then you can go for a trades. Though these are all the breakout trades, so how to take a breakout trades and how to find the breakout points and how to enter in the breakouts. So breakout also, it is like, even if you are not observing some few other things, you may lose the trades. So for that, what parameters we have to combine with breakouts. So how to get a successful trade in breakout, that things will be discussed while teaching a breakout strategy to you all. So these are all some our own strategies which is we are going to explain it to you all. So the GAN method and GAN numbers will be useful for you while trading in stock market. So that will be discussed. So finally, our paid subscription plan. So whoever wants to join with our paid subscription, not interested in technical training, and they want only paid calls, so then they can subscribe our plan. This plan will give you a Nifty and Bank Nifty future and option calls. So Nifty and Bank Nifty future option calls will be updated in the group itself. So the option sometimes monthly once you will get a jackpot option calls, short calls, that will be given in the group, and swing trades will be given, that will be equity future with option hedging. How to take those trade, I'll guide you if you are in the paid subscription member. And equity calls will be given, it will be a random call, it is not a regular call for you. And commodity all, like crude oil, gold, copper, silver, nickel, all the commodity will be combined and calls will be provided. And crude oil will be daily based call, and daily one call you will get it for crude oil. 26 point trade it is. So 26 point target and 26 point stop loss method. Sometime it may be a 30 points also. So but you will get some short calls in crude oil, that will be assured for your subscription plan. So subscription only 2500 per month. From the date of payment, you will be added in the subscription group. So you will get 1 month our calls. So I'm sure you will be enjoy while taking our paid calls, because the most of the calls will be give you a perfect target. So the success ratio of our paid calls, it is always high. So even I'm giving from past 1 week or 2 week, so already it is giving a very good success ratio. So don't worry about paid subscription, even you can opt for the paid subscription also. But I request you all to learn at least basic things about stock market. So stock market, which is uh, give you the very good opportunity in upcoming future. Even in the lockdown period, there are so many of them unemployed, and even they are working from home, and they have a lots of free time to learn and earn. So this is a time to learn. So you learn properly the technical analysis, definitely you will be a successful trader. I am the live example of you, like you are seeing in my group. Whatever the call I'm giving, it is almost giving a targets. So these are all the basic technical analysis based only. So if you know the things, then definitely you will be a successful trader in stock market. um, Once again, thank you all. Thank you all for your time. So these are the course detail in the paid training version. So the registration already started, and registration already closed for batch 1, and batch 2 it is date already announced. So if you are wish to join with us, definitely you can ping me personally, and you can do registration in the using the registration form. So it is a very good opportunity to you all to join with me and earn together. So it is very good opportunity. Don't miss it. Thank you. Thank you all.